Hey gang, in this video we're going to be looking at HTML class attributes. Alright, so HTML class attributes is used to specify a class to an HTML element. Now note, multiple HTML elements can share the same class. Now remember that attributes are placed in between the opening tag of an element. Alright, so if you look at the example here on my screen, you would see that div has a class of city, and inside this div we have an h2, an heading, which is London, and a paragraph that says London is the capital of England. In my second div, which also has a class of city, we have heading, which is Paris, and a paragraph that says Paris is the capital of France. In my third div, we have with an attribute of city as an heading of Tokyo, and a paragraph that says Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Now we also have an h2 here with an inline element, which is the span, that says our class here is notes, and also a paragraph with a class of what? Notes. Alright, so we're going to style them differently. Now note the syntax for styling class. Before then, let me open my style. Alright, the syntax for styling a class is you put in dot or a period with the class name. So if I put city, and then you put your curly brackets, and then you put whatever style you want in there. Alright, so first of all, let's style our background color. I want it to be brown. Do not forget your semicolon, and then your color, I want the color to be white. Okay, so I also want my border to be 2px solid black. Okay, then I want a margin of 20 pixel and a padding of 20 pixel. Okay, so if I save this, this is going to affect every div that has a class of city. So if I refresh this, you would see that my background color is brown, my color is white, and it has a black border around it with a margin of 20 pixel and a padding of 20 pixel. Alright, so now that we've styled this, so we have a different class which we want to style. So remember the syntax, we come down here, we say dot, what is our class here? Our class is notes. Okay, our class is notes. So we're going to style this. Let's increase the font size. We want our font size to be 120%, and we also want our color to be brown. Alright, so if we refresh this, so you can see that only the specific word that the span was added to that was affected by the style. So if you want to style only a specific word or specific line or specific phrase, you use the span element. Alright, so in the next video we're going to be looking at IDs. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.